Can you imagine this? This 1-minute short film was created using the Image to Storyboard workflow. You only need to create 4 storyboard images to achieve this kind of result. Today, I'm going to show you how to use GPT to generate a complete Image to Storyboard so you can maintain character consistency, scene consistency, and cinematic camera movement. Once you learn this method, you'll also be able to easily solve the problem of inconsistent characters and visuals in AI-generated videos. First, send the prompt template I prepared to ChatGPT. I'll organize the full prompt instructions into a document and put it in the video description. Then tell GPT, please understand the prompt template above. I want to create a 1-minute creative AI short film. Please help me generate Image to Storyboard prompts and Seedance 2 prompts. I need 4 connected 1.5-second story prompts because Seedance 2 supports a maximum video length of 1 minute. GPT automatically designed a 1-minute story for me. The title is The Last Star Lantern. It includes 4 Image 2 prompts and 4 Seedance 2 prompts. Of course, you can also design your own story. Because AI never lacks technology, what it really needs is creativity. Here, I copy the Image 2 prompt and create a new conversation in GPT. Free users can usually use the image model about 3 to 5 times per day. If your budget is limited, you can use multiple accounts. This way, we can experience one of the strongest image generation models, Image 2, for free. Select Image Generation, then choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. After waiting a few seconds, the image is generated. As you can see, the image quality generated with this method is extremely high. The character style reference, environment design, character movement path, and every single shot are all designed very well. Even details like lighting, atmosphere, and air texture are included. This is the power of Image 2. Next, we save the generated image and log into any website that supports Seedance 2. Here, I'm using XMK, mainly because it has more complete features. Then choose the Seedance 2 model. Upload the storyboard image you just downloaded. Then copy the Seedance 2 prompt generated by GPT. Set the aspect ratio and resolution. Then generate the video directly. Let's take a look at the result. Isn't it amazing? When generating the second part, we still need to use Image 2 to create the storyboard first. Then take a screenshot of the last frame from the first video. Next, upload the second storyboard image and the final frame of the first video as reference materials, and continue generating the next Seedance 2 video. This way, we can perfectly solve the problem of story consistency. Finally, repeat the same method until the full 1-minute video is completely generated. In fact, the most important part of creating cinematic short films is preparing good reference images first. And the Image to Storyboard method can solve this problem perfectly. I'll put the prompt for creating Image to Storyboards in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow, like, and share. I'll keep sharing more useful AI tutorials with you. See you in the next video!